question 8. So if we're going to find the coordinates of the stationary point, that's where the gradient equals 0. How do we work out the gradient of curves? We differentiate it. So start off by working out dy dx. So we multiply by the current power, reduce the power by 1. So this first term becomes 4x cubed. When we differentiate 32x, we just get 32. So this allows us to work out the gradient anywhere on the curve. Well, we want a stationary point, so either a maximum or a minimum. So if we work out where the gradient equals 0, so set this to 0. So take away 32 from both sides, divide by 4 and cube root, we get x being minus 2. When x is minus 2, what is the y coordinate? So we substitute the minus 2 back into the curve. Be careful, don't substitute into the differential, that's got nothing to do with it. We're just trying to find a point on the curve. So we substitute minus 2 back into the curve. So minus 2 to the power of 4, add 32 lots of minus 2, gives us minus 48. So the coordinate of the stationary point is minus 2, minus 48. Now, to determine whether this stationary point is a maximum or a minimum, we differentiate again. We find the second differential, so we differentiate this. So again, we multiply by the current power and reduce the power by 1, giving us 12x squared. Now we're trying to work out whether it's a maximum or a minimum when x equals minus 2. So substituting minus 2 in here, we can minus 2 squared is plus 4, so 48. Because d2y dx squared is positive, it is therefore a minimum point. Now, for what values of x does this function increase as x increases? Well, we're looking for this bit, or the bit where it's increasing. So basically everywhere beyond the minimum point. We've just worked out that the minimum was at minus 2, so we're looking for all the x values greater than minus 2.